You're on vacation, but back in your home, there can be a water leak or pipe bursting, which can damage your home and cost thousands of dollars to repair. The solution to this is a whole house smart water monitor like Flo by Moen, which has brilliant features like water usage tracking and automatic shutoff. So today, we will put this smart monitor to the test, examining its water monitoring capabilities, safety features, and ease of installation to find out if it is worth your money. Without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll get links to exclusive discounts in the description below. First, let's talk about how Flo works. The Flo Smart Water Monitor boasts 24/7 monitoring and real-time alerts via its app. It uses FlowSense technology, which helps this device learn your home's water usage patterns. It takes 7 to 10 days to learn everything about your water usage, from water pressure and flow rates to the number of gallons used. It even monitors the temperature to safeguard against frozen pipes. After this initial learning period, it takes an additional 1 to 2 weeks to learn the usage of each fixture in your home for accurate warnings. Its internal leak sensors detect abnormalities, such as high pressure or continuously running water, and automatically shut off the entire water supply to prevent potential damage. The Flo Smart Water Monitor sends instant app notifications, phone calls, and email alerts for potential leaks, even if you are away from home. The Flo Smart Water Monitor has a compact and robust design with a green manual shutoff valve for emergencies and an LED indicator to show valve status with green when water is flowing, red when the valve is closed, and white during transition. Coming to installation. It is recommended to hire a plumbing professional to insert the Flo system into your existing water pipeline. The system needs to be mounted after the water meter, shutoff valve, and pressure reducing valve on your main line. Then, plug into a nearby AC power outlet, download their official app, and connect it to your home Wi-Fi for hands-free access. It is available in 3 different sizes for different diameters of your home water pipeline, so choose the suitable model carefully. Each unit comes with everything you need for easy installation, including 2 brass-threaded connectors, O-rings, an installation spacer, a hex key, and a power adapter. Now, let's talk about maintenance. You just have to ensure that you have strong Wi-Fi connectivity and download app updates to stay alert and avoid damage. That's it. If you're finding this video valuable, then know that 99% of you don't subscribe. Do subscribe so that you are that top 1% who will help support more such useful content. When it comes to performance, the Flo Smart Water Monitor truly shines. It not only monitors your water usage, but also conducts daily micro-leak tests to identify small leaks that often go unnoticed. Its internal leak sensors are incredibly sensitive, giving you peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Flo Smart Water Monitor helps you conserve up to 90% wastewater by alerting you about overusage and leaks. The best part, you can control multiple Flo Smart Water Monitors installed at multiple properties in one app. The Flo offers 3 modes: home for daily use, away for when you're gone, and sleep for temporary water shutoffs. It also integrates with Alexa and other smart devices for receiving alerts. Moen has also introduced significant updates over the years, like an AI-embedded sensitivity slider and manual overrides to help you customize alerts to avoid unnecessary disruptions. The new local mode allows you to adjust the system settings offline. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Flo Smart Water Monitor can save you thousands of dollars in water damage and may lower your homeowner's insurance. Moen allows you to use its major features on the Smart app without any monthly fees. Flo Smart Water Monitor comes with a 1-year limited warranty against manufacturing defects. On the downside, it is expensive and requires professional installation. The gasket designed to protect the power connector can be a bit better. Also, its battery backup device was recalled in 2023 due to overheating. Overall, the Flo by Moen Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff is a reliable water leak detector. With its comprehensive monitoring, advanced safety features, easy installation, and user-friendly smart app. So there you have it, an in-depth review of Flo by Moen's Whole House Smart Leak Detector. If you found the video helpful, please like and share it. Cheers!